Hey everyone, welcome to Maryland HVAC Repair. Today we're breaking down two HVAC terms that sound similar but mean very different things. FPM and CFM. FPM equal sign. Feet per minute. FPM stands for feet per minute. It measures how fast the air moves, the speed of the air inside a duct. Think of it like wind blowing through a pipe. FPM tells you how quickly that air is moving. CFM equal sign cubic feet. Per minute. CFM stands for cubic feet per minute. It measures how much air is moving, the volume or flow of air. It's one of the most important numbers in HVAC because it helps size ductwork and equipment. How they're connected, here's the formula: CFM equal sign FPM x area. So if you know the speed of the air, FPM, and the cross-sectional area of the duct, you can calculate how much air is flowing through it, CFM. Example: if air is moving at 500 FPM through a duct that's 2 square feet in area, 500 times 2 equals 1,000 CFM. That means 1,000 cubic feet of air is moving through the duct every minute. Recap: FPM equal sign speed, CFM equal sign flow, CFM equal sign FPM x area. Both are critical for system performance, airflow balance, and duct sizing. Want to keep learning? Grab the book, check the site, and hit subscribe. HVAC book, MarylandHVACRepair.com at Maryland HVAC Repair.